How to grow a mailing list. Date: Saturday, Jan. 15, 2024. Dear friend, if you would like to grow a mailing list rapidly, this crazy secret technique is the most powerful thing I have ever witnessed. It's like adding fuel to a rocket. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Sawabi and I am a full-time online marketer dedicated to helping individuals like yourself supercharge their email lists. With my experience and guidance, you will gain access to this secret technique that has already helped countless people achieve remarkable results. Imagine effortlessly attracting a flood of engaged subscribers who are genuinely interested in what you have to provide and watch your email list grow exponentially while enjoying the freedom and flexibility of being a digital nomad. I could not explain my excitement when I stumbled upon this mind-blowing technique that will rapidly grow your mailing list and attract more people to join your funnel. Some people laughed when they first heard about it. They doubted its effectiveness and even questioned my credibility as a digital nomad helping others grow their mailing lists. But let me assure you, their skepticism could not be further from the truth. This secret technique has been tried and tested by numerous individuals who were initially skeptical, but quickly became amazed by its results. It is not some gimmick or empty promise, it is a proven thing that can add newly targeted leads. I want you to embrace it, give it a try and see for yourself how it can rapidly grow your email list without any effort on your part. You are just curious how this magic button or technique, you name it, can skyrocket your email list and help your business thrive. With just a single thing, you will watch your email list of subscribers grow exponentially. By placing this button strategically, you will capture new email subscribers like never before. Can you imagine the potential a mailing list holds for your business? It is not just about sending out newsletters or promotions, but rather building a community of loyal customers who are excited to hear from you. Here is what a mailing list can do for you: drive traffic, build a relationship, drive sales and boost conversions and earn you continuous stream of income. So, why wait? Start building your customers list and make the most out of your responsive subscribers. Once you watch a few sales start pouring in, you will dream to grow a big list to achieve outstanding results. Imagine creating value and people click that button to join your funnel quickly and easily today, tomorrow and for years to come without any effort on your part. What do I mean by that? I mean something you can set up once and then sit back and watch as it automatically sends out a stream of high-quality leads to your business, without any additional effort from you. How cool is that? This comprehensive offer provides you with step-by-step guidance on leveraging a powerful platform to generate a steady stream of traffic. We also unveil a secret technique that will help you build a massive mailing list filled with eager subscribers. Who needs this secret? Are you a podcaster or YouTuber and would like to sell a webinar, coaching program, online course, consulting, or build a loyal customers list? Are you a beginner in affiliate marketing and would like to own that traffic and leads automatically? Are you a social media influencer who would like to sell or build a community? Do you have a business in several niches: weight loss, fitness, sport, health, golfing, MMO, dating, surfing, finance, social media, or some kind of passion? Are you an online marketer, influencer who would like to sell a service, courses, or digital information products? Are you an ambitious online entrepreneur looking to fill your funnel with laser-targeted leads? Have you got a YouTube channel and would like to turn viewers into a leads machine? This secret is for you. Discover the secret technique to rapidly grow your email list and achieve financial freedom and consistently earn continuous stream of income with just a click of a button. Uncover the secret that will help you grow your mailing list quickly and effortlessly. Get a huge pool of engaged subscribers just waiting to hear from you and eager to become your loyal customers. A foolproof strategy that has helped countless individuals skyrocket their email lists in no time. You'll be able to attract quality leads and watch your subscriber count soar. Unlock the power to rapidly grow your email list and create a continuous stream of income. It does not matter if you have built a list before or you have had some experience. This offer is designed to equip you with all the knowledge and tools you need to succeed. Secret technique, tips, and proven strategy that will help you attract and retain subscribers like never before. Uncover the exact steps you need to take to fill your funnel. And much, much more useful informations. Have you ever thought about the potential of having an email list of subscribers? Building and growing an email list of subscribers is a challenge for many individuals, entrepreneurs, and marketers. Without a solid list, it is difficult to reach and communicate with prospects. Your email list is not just a collection of random contacts, it is a community of people who have expressed interest in what you have to offer. These subscribers are more likely to be interacted and eager to hear from you. But here is the catch. I am revealing a groundbreaking technique that will help you build an enormous list of subscribers in no time. Say goodbye to the days of struggling to find potential customers and hello to steady stream of interested leads at the click of a button 24/7. So get ready for this technique as I share with you step-by-step process behind building a list of hungry buyers and generating massive piles of cash on demand. List of subscribers right away. A strong subscriber list is a powerful asset that can significantly boost your profits. Imagine having a large pool of eager subscribers who are eagerly waiting to hear from you. They want to buy your products or services. That is the power of a well-nurtured email list. For a reasonable price of only $19.95, you will have access to the secret technique to build and grow a big mailing list quickly and easily, which allows you to create financial freedom and earn good money from the list you built and curated. List Building Secret is a powerful tool you can use over and over and over again and still grow your own enormous list automatically. It does not matter what your niche is. What matters most is to follow the exact step-by-step process to generate leads and income, lots of cash. Yes. With your own email list and exclusive newsletter, you can earn passive income. $1,000 a month or $10,000. All within 5 minutes of work. And all that begins with this first step. List Building Secret Technique. The power of an email list in the world of internet marketing cannot be overstated. It is referred to as the most valuable and profitable asset one can build, and for good reason. Countless successful internet masters have echoed this sentiment, recognizing the immense potential that lies within a well-nurtured email list. But do not just take my word for it. Let us hear from some of the top internet entrepreneurs who experienced firsthand the impact of effective list building. These industry leaders understand that an email list provides a direct line of communication with their audience, allowing them to cultivate relationships and drive conversions. If you are looking to take your internet marketing game to the next level, get the advice of these successful entrepreneurs and prioritize building your own email list. It holds the key to long-term success. Michael Hyatt. But I have literally built a multi-million-dollar business on the strength of my email list. 90% of my income comes from it. Even today, my email list is still my #1 business priority and asset. Pat Flynn. When I started this blog, I made the newbie mistake of not including a way to accumulate email addresses. No newsletter, no opt-in form, nothing. Email list is everything. It is the list of loyal customers in your business. John Acuff. The biggest social media mistake I have ever made. Email matters. People do not change their email addresses. Email is the best and most reliable way to communicate. Build your email list and grow it. All successful internet marketers have one thing in common: email list. 1. Discover the secret technique to fill your funnel with consistent leads today, tomorrow, and for years to come. 2. I will show you how this powerful source of traffic can send you laser-targeted traffic to your own funnel. 3. Learn step-by-step process to fill your funnel with organic traffic, leads, and sales. See what some customers say. I recently completed the offer at Grow the List, and I couldn't be more impressed with the results. The comprehensive approach and practical strategies provided have significantly boosted my business. The guidance was clear, actionable, and tailored to my specific needs, making it easy to implement and see immediate improvements. I highly recommend Grow the List to anyone looking to elevate their business growth and achieve tangible success. Thank you for such an outstanding experience. Bonus number 1. How to get clients. I am selling this book for $19.95 on SkyrocketClients.com today. I want to give it away for free when you purchase this exclusive offer. Discover the little-known tactic that can increase your client base exponentially. Attract more potential customers, generate more leads quickly and gain more clients from YouTube with ease. Bonus number 2. Secret Cash Method. I am selling this digital product for $19.95 on secretcashmethod.com today. I want to give it away for free when you purchase this exclusive offer. Your key to selling digital information products effortlessly. This groundbreaking system empowers you to automate your sales process. 100% satisfaction guarantee. You are fully protected by our 100% satisfaction guarantee. If you don't increase your email list within the next 30 days using this secret technique and that powerful platform, then just let us know and we'll send you a prompt refund. If you have any issues, just get in touch by email address and I'll help you out until you get the results you need. A hidden technique that can effortlessly bring high-quality leads to your business over and over again without you having to lift a finger. Imagine the feeling of helplessness when your funnel receives little to no traffic, your email list remains stagnant, and your sales numbers continue to disappoint. You know that without a steady stream of targeted traffic and high-quality leads, your business is at risk of stagnation or even failure. How can you compete with those who have built a good list? Today I want to show you a hot new secret technique that will transform your business overnight. With this method, you can generate traffic, high-quality leads, and sales in as little as 24 hours. By implementing this technique, you will build a responsive list of email subscribers who are not just interested but eager to buy what you're selling. Don't waste another moment on marketing methods that don't deliver results. Unlock the power of our secret technique today and watch how you can fill your funnel with leads organically. Hurry, this offer won't last forever. We are offering a limited time, exclusive opportunity to claim your copy today and join the countless others who have already seized this fantastic opportunity. We're thrilled to have on board. But hurry, this offer won't last forever. Imagine the possibilities and the incredible value it can bring to your life or business. Don't wait until it's too late, grab this product now before all the copies are gone. Hurry and click on the link below before it's too late. P.S. For just a fair price of only $19.95, I will show you the secret technique to grow your mailing list quickly and easily. PPS. If you would like something that grows your list consistently without doing that much work, then get this offer. PPS. You have everything to gain and nothing to lose by taking that leap of faith. When you purchase our product, we want you to feel completely confident in your decision. That's why we offer a hassle-free refund policy. If for any reason you're not satisfied with the results or the product doesn't meet your expectations, simply reach out to us and we'll promptly issue you a refund. We genuinely want to see you succeed and only want happy customers. P.S. Imagine waking up each morning, checking your email, and seeing new subscribers flooding in. Picture yourself confidently launching successful email campaigns that generate jaw-dropping results. Sounds amazing, doesn't it? Grow the list. The materials provided in Grow the List are not to be interpreted as a get-rich-quick scheme in any way. Your earning potential is entirely dependent upon you. The level of success you reach employing these techniques and ideas is entirely dependent upon you, your skills, your financial resources, your advertising and marketing knowledge, and your time that you devote to becoming successful. Because of these reasons, we cannot guarantee your earnings level, nor do we in any way, whether directly or indirectly, do so.